Okay, this is our Bridgeport Vari machine. It's got a 42-inch table. It's got a 3-axis DRO system on it. The original style power feed in the X, variable speed head, and it's got a riser block as well. We've added a stand-on coolant tray. You may not be able to see in the video, but it is in the additional pictures. Okay, so we're going to run through and just let you see it all running. It's all running absolutely fine. On your lead screws and so on. The X and the Y axes. It's all been smooth all the way along. Same with the Y-axis. Smooth all the way across. This has all been reground. Tops of the table and the two sides have also been reground as well. And it's had the column reground in addition. So there's all the knee. That's all lovely and smooth. It's all running great. All the table locks are operational. Here and here. And the knee lock's operational there. The lube system's all been serviced, many new pipes, new valves and all that and so on. So, power the machine up, just press the green one here, make sure the first button is down, the last one is the pump, next one is the power feed, and the back one is the slotting head. At the back is the slotting head, you should be able to hear that running, but it's running fine. There's a switch there for it, and the second switch along here, that's also for the slotting head. So here's your power feed in the X. It's variable speed. It's really smooth, so that's about as slow as it'll go. You should be able to see the X moving on the DRO screen here. Rapid's all fine. Probably one of the nicest, quietest ones of these I've heard. They always make a different noise one way to the other, I don't know why. Okay, so that's all the bottom end done. So power it up on a variable speed head. It's all running fine. Engage the feed. You see the feed's coming down now. So for each spindle speed you've got 3 different feed rates. So that's the top, that's the middle, and that's the bottom. They're all fine. It's running around the 800 RPM at the moment. That's all fine. I can reverse that. There you go, in reverse, it's all good. Put it all the way to the top, the lock on, the lock works fine. This is a multi-position handle, so you can put the handle wherever you want, just by going like that. Put it in reverse. It's just as quiet in reverse. I'll go all the way from the bottom, so that's 500 RPM. That's about 2,200. Okay, handle in, round to that position there, that's neutral. And that'll just the spindle just freewheels now. Move it round again, put it into low, make sure it's locked in. Fire it up. It's just as quiet and low. That's the top spindle speed in low. 260 RPM. And that's about 60 RPM in low. As you can see, it's fine. I'll do it in reverse as well. Just as fine in reverse. I'll change it back to high range. Make sure it's locked in. Change is just fine. Okay. So you've got an IP65 sealed LED light here. That all works fine. So yeah, that's it. Demo over. Fully working machine, ready to go. Thanks for watching. Now, use